Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make this social animation with After Effects. Let's get started. First step, let's create a new background. Go to here, right mouse, new and solid. Add name background, click OK, and go to Effects preset, search Effect Fill, and select this fill. Let's use for all this background. Then go to click color cube, change color like this, and click OK. Then select this background and lock layer, and go to shape layers, hold this icon and select random wrenchel tool. Let's make one shape layer like this, and click selection tool, go to fill, change color white, click OK, add name object 1, then close here and go to shape layers, select this wrenchel tool. Let's make one wrenchel like this, click selection tool, move to here and select this object 1, Ctrl D for duplicate, select the shape layer 1, move to center here and click toggle switch mode, change none to alpha matte and go to fill. Let's select red color, click OK and select shape layer, change name mask, press R, change rotation like this. Let's change 45 or let's change minus 45 and move to here. So in this time, select this mask, let's press P, make new position keyframe and move to left, hold shift press S, click this scale icon, change scale like this and like this, go to here 5 keyframes, let's move to right and select these 2 position keyframes, move to down. Let's select this last keyframe, move to left like this. Let's press R, change rotation like this, and press P, move to left. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, make easy ease, go to graph editor, select this graph, make smooth. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframe, select the last keyframe, move to right for slow animation. And select these 2 keyframes again, go to click this icon for open graph editor. Select this graph, let's make like this or like this. Nice. So select this keyframe, let's move to right, let's see. Okay, good. And go to text, click here, let's write live, click selection tool, go to color, change to white, click OK, press S, change scale, move to here, let's change scale 60 and move to right. And go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this ellipse tool and hold shift, make one ellipse, click selection tool, go to fill, change color to white, click OK, add name live shape and move to here, select this live, move to left. Then let's go to project window and select this YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn icons, move to inside or composition. Let's press S, change scale and move to here. Then select this Facebook, let's move to right, and LinkedIn, move to right. Select this YouTube, press S, change scale 5 or 6 and Let's delete this text, go to mask, and let's masking object like this. Click selection tool. Then select this Facebook, let's change scale. Okay, and select this LinkedIn, change scale again. Okay, let's change 19 or 19.5 and move to right. Okay, select these icons, let's move to center, and in this time let's go to window, open Animation Composer 3. So friends, this is Animation Composer 3 plugin is free. You can watch my video tutorial about how to download and how to install this Animation Composer 3. I will add video link in description. So let's open starter preset and open here 2D layer. Select this overshot scale and let's select this icon and this icon and this live icon. Click in and select this text. Let's open text layers and animate characters. Select this overshot or this and click in. Let's close window and select this tier in, move to right for slowly and smooth animation. And let's move to right. Select these icons, tier in, move to right, and this move to right, and these two pins. Okay, then move to right this live shape and select these icons, YouTube and Facebook move to right, and LinkedIn move to right. Let's see. Okay, select these three icons. After moving this red shape to right, let's move to right these layers. Nice. Select this live shape, move to here, and this text, move to here. Let's see. Nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.